Good morning and thanks for watching today's What's in my Aliexpress basket. Today is all about charms and I have some real finds here for you today. So we're starting off with these clock charms and they are £3.86 for 30 pieces. And look how dinky they are, these little like stopwatches or old-fashioned clocks. They are just adorable. Love the back of them as well. Excuse me. So that's the first thing. Then if you make a lot of journals or a lot of projects, this is a real find because there are 700 vintage skeleton keys and they're £15.60. Then we have these 130 mixed colour classical metal beading bookmarks, and these are really lovely to put in your journals and projects. They're £15 and one, but you do get 130. There's gorgeous feathers, there's just plain ones, there's these patterned ones, and they're in different colours as well. They're mixed colours, so you will not be without a bookmark, a beading bookmark as well. And then if you're into your steampunk, there's 20 pieces steampunk charms in 4 colours and they're £3.34. I don't really use that much steampunk, but I thought I will get some because they're handy to have and some of the pieces I quite like, and I thought, well, maybe I'll give them a whirl. And you do have like I said, 4 colours to choose from. I like the vintage colour. I always go for the antique bronze. Excuse me. Right, okay, so that's the steampunk charms. Now wait till you see these keys. They are huge. You get 10 pieces for £3.92, but they are really big. Excuse me, really big keys. Excuse my messenger going off. I love this one with the love on it. And they're so decorative. So you get 10 pieces there for £3.92. Look at the almost seahorse, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice already. Okay, so the next thing in my basket are these cute sewing charms. You get 30 pieces for £3.06, and they're like little cotton spools with a little needle, and you have your little loop there to hang it on, and they are just lovely. They're really adorable if you're doing sewing themed projects. Then we have these key charms. You get 50 pieces for £2.20. So quite a lot of keys there in this order, that one. And then we have these wings and feather charms, and you get 30 pieces for £3.83. And they're quite big. They look quite big. I'm not sure exactly, but they do look like they're quite a nice size as well, which you'll find out when they arrive. So they look quite big, don't they? Oh, look at this one. Look. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. So these charms with a verse are 10 pieces for £2.17, and I just thought they are so wonderful to go on a project. And look at these scissor charms. Oh my gosh, now you can have these in antique bronze or silver, and the 10 pieces for £1.66. How ornate and lovely are they? And I've just realised I've got some other scissors in the basket. I hope they're not exactly the same. Okay, then we have Alice in Wonderland charms, 15 pieces for £3.71. I do have some Alice in Wonderland charms, but these are different. And I do have an Alice in Wonderland journal to be working on when I get back. Excuse my messenger again. I want to get back from the honeymoon. I do have one to make for a lovely lady, and I thought that these would be super cute. Super cute. Then we have some more verse ones, which says love you to the moon and back, and they are £2 and two for 20 pieces. I love these verse charms and ones with lovely sentimental words on them, and encouragement, words of encouragement as well. Okay, look at these. I'm sorry, I know I say that a lot. I couldn't believe it when I found these little vintage vanity mirrors, mirror charms, and they are 20 pieces. Are 20 pieces for £4.20. Aren't they just precious? And look at the back, how decorative the back of these charms are. So they are 2 inches, 2.5 inches, I would say. Oh, and then we have these other decorative scissors, and they are different. And there are 20 pieces for £3.54. And again, they are a nice size, will look gorgeous hanging in any journal or tucked in a little pocket or something. And then we have these Hogwarts platform charms. Now, I've never really been into Harry Potter, but my daughter and my grandchildren are mad about it. So I thought these would be super fun. They're 20 pieces for £2.65. And then look at these sets. Now you actually get 2 pieces to each set, 20 sets of these charms with all these lovely words on them. And they're £3.89. And they're very decorative on the back, and they're very gorgeous on the front as well. And it's got brave, happy, thankful, peace, just gorgeous. And then I have some Dreamcatcher charms. You get 5 different colours to choose from, and there's 10 pieces for £3.20. They're very popular, dream catchers. I think that they're very spiritual, and I know that a lot of us are very spiritual, and if not, they're just very decorative. And my grandchildren love dream catchers. Okay, so now we have some, I did not write them down, butterflies. Okay, they will be in the listing below, so don't forget to order any of these products. You can click on the link below. Now, I do not have, oh yes I do, the butterfly charms were £3.56 for 50 pieces, and the angel charms are £3.98 for 40 pieces. I do not know what happened. I missed something out, so it threw it all out of sync. So those are the goodies in my basket today. Lots and lots of gorgeous charms. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the link in the description to order any of those products. So take care for now, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.